I am Dr. Robin Chakrabarty, Senior Consultant Cardiologist with special interest in device implantations. We all know that in heart failure with low ejection fraction, like ejection fraction less than 35% and complete left bundle branch block, cardiac resynchronization therapy like CRTP or CRTD are very effective in terms of improvement of quality of life, in terms of mortality, in terms of hospitalization. Therefore, it has been practiced for years together, and in the literature there are plenty of evidence from Miracle trial, from Companion trial, from Mustic trial, from PATH CHF trial, that CRT implantation procedure is very effective in patients with heart failure, low ejection fraction and complete left bundle branch block. However, we found that in 21st century that if you try to implant the pacemaker in his bundle area or in the left bundle branch area, which is essentially called as conduction system pacing, then the efficacy of this procedure is perhaps equal or equally effective with CRTP implantation. So, the data of CSP or conduction system pacing implantation in heart failure with low ejection fraction and complete left bundle branch block is comparable with CRTP implantation or biventricular pacing in heart failure. But we do not practice in all patients because there are limitations both in CRTP implantation procedure as well as in conduction system pacing procedure. CRTP may not be effective in patients with complete right bundle branch block, is certainly not effective in patients with narrow QRS group, and on the other hand the conduction system pacing requires a special skill, special hardware, so there are limitations. So, as of today I recommend that in those patients where CRTP implantation is challenging because of coronary sinus anatomy, because of procedural complications, you can actually think of conduction system pacing, but you need to have the expertise and skill. So, there are physicians who are very skilled, very experienced, very accomplished in conduction system pacing. So, for them conduction system pacing would be preferable. So, those patients who are otherwise not suitable for CRTP implantation, conduction system pacing is effective and is a suitable alternative. As of today in the guideline, those patients who would require like AV block, atrioventricular block with a left bundle branch block would require complete pacemaker implantation, please consider conduction system pacing in those group of patients. Conduction system pacing is very effective in those patients where there is atrioventricular block and complete left bundle branch block, but ejection fraction may not be very low, but eventually patient would require pacemaker implantation. Conduction system pacing like pacing at the His bundle, pacing at the left bundle branch block is a suitable alternative. CRTP is being considered to be still a standard modality of practice of congestive heart failure with complete left bundle branch block and ejection fraction 35% or less. So, they are supplementary and they are extremely effective. So, alternative modality of pacing should be considered today in congestive heart failure patients with low ejection fraction. Thank you very much.